Today I will discuss about how to calculate equivalent visual acuity of Snellen chart at different distances. The most common visual acuity chart, that is Snellen chart, is designed to perform mostly at 6 meters or 3 meters. Sometimes patient's visual acuity is less than 660 size, that is the maximum size in the chart. In such cases, to identify patient's visual acuity, we can follow three techniques. 1. Checking finger counting ability at reduced distances. 2. Bringing the chart closer to the patient. 3. Taking the patients closer to the chart. Now, if a chart is designed for 6 meter distance but visual acuity is checked from 2 meters, then how to identify equivalent or actual visual acuity? The formula we can follow to identify equivalent visual acuity is, for 6 meters chart, equivalent visual acuity equal to denominator multiplied by 6 divided by reading distance in meter. For 20 feet chart, equivalent visual acuity equal to denominator multiplied by 20 divided by reading distance in feet. Here, denominator equal to denominator of patient's current visual acuity, 6 or 20 equal to identifiable chart distance, and reading distance equal to distance from where patients read the chart. Now let's see few example. Example 1. A 30 years old patient visits your clinic for an eye examination. During visual acuity testing, the patient was not able to read 6 by 60 size letter. So you shift the chart at 2 meters and patient was able to read 6 by 12 size. What will be the actual visual acuity of the patients at 6 meters? Here, patient's visual acuity denominator equal to 12, identifiable chart distance equal to 6 meters, reading distance equal to 2 meters. So the equivalent visual acuity will be equivalent visual acuity equal to denominator multiplied by 6 divided by reading distance, or equivalent visual acuity equal to 12 multiplied by 6 divided by 2, or equivalent visual acuity equal to 72 divided by 2, or equivalent visual acuity equal to 36. So for this patient, the actual or equivalent visual acuity is 6 by 36. Example 2. A patient was not able to read any letter in the 20 feet Snellen chart. So you shift the chart at 12 feet and patient was able to read 20 by 200 size. What will be the actual visual acuity of the patient at 20 feet? Here, patient's visual acuity denominator equal to 200, identifiable chart distance equal to 20 feet, reading distance equal to 12 feet. So the equivalent visual acuity will be denominator multiplied by 20 divided by reading distance, or equivalent visual acuity equal to 200 multiplied by 20 divided by 12, or equivalent visual acuity equal to 4000 divided by 12, or equivalent visual acuity equal to 333.33. So for this patient, the actual or equivalent visual acuity is 20 by 333.33 size.
Subscribe Smart Optometry for more videos like this. Stay with Smart Optometry and study optometry smartly.